everyone. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, what about the kiddos that we cannot actually, we don't have access to? How do we help them heal from afar, right? And that is, sounds trite, in our own healing, our own ability to navigate these circumstances, our own ability to show them that we are okay, that we are having an okay life, that we miss them terribly, of course, but that we know where they're trapped. And I don't mean to be so cavalier about it, but it's that if that entrapment breaks us, it's exactly what the abuser wants. The abuser wants us broken, and the children cannot come towards us if we're broken. So the more that we are able to elevate ourselves in their world, whether it's social media or they know that we went to our aunt's house and had a nice party and they didn't come because we were going to be there, but we still went and we had a good time. So all that we can do to build ourselves up in an authentic way, right? Abusers don't build themselves up in an authentic way. We are entirely different. We're authentic. We mean it. We actually live it. And so, and then now I'm going to say, but actually, when you're suffering complex trauma, that sometimes you're faking it because you feel so broken. But I want you to fake it because your brain will not allow you to feel safe unless you actually tell your brain, I'm okay. I'm going to go to Aunt Dorothea's family reunion. My kids aren't going to be there. I'm going to have a good time. Somebody's going to post a picture online, maybe. But either way, my kids are going to know I'm there or that I may have gone and that I was okay. And then we tell our brain, I'm going to be okay. And we move forward, right? It's really so distressing and sad. I'm not in any way trying to minimize your experiences. I'm just trying to highlight that our kids need to see that we are okay, even after something so horrifying could happen. That we're right there waiting for them, ready, not going to be broken if they come back. We're going to be okay. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.